In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Samsung. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flartu developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn more about your Samsung's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!